Hey y'all, this is Keena with Flossie Blanks. I'll show you how to do these items right here. First design is going to be for a sublimate stone. This is a 7.5 by 7.5. The second design is a mirror clock. It's a Roman numeral mirror clock. It's 12 by 6.2. And the last design is for the Bestie frame. It is 7.2 by 6.1. I print from the Epson F570. I print from that because I can print everything in one sitting. However, the mirror clock has to be printed separately because it is a non-mirrored design. You're going to tape that to the back of the design and see it through to the front, so that's why it's non-mirrored. Everything else that I'm doing today is a mirrored design. This is what they look like. The stone, the clock, and then the MDF Bestie frame. You know for MDF that you have to remove the plastic from the outside before you press on it. So that's me just removing the plastic, and then I'm going to clean it off because I want to get any debris off of there. Your times and temps for pressing these. For the stone, it is 400 degrees for 5 minutes. After that first 5 minutes, I suggest that you turn it over for 1 minute and do it face up for 1 minute more to make that design pop and make sure you have no ghosting. For the clock, it is also 5 minutes, but it is 380 degrees. It is light pressure. And then for the MDF frame, I do 380 for 120 seconds. Some people can do 60 to 120 seconds, but I do 120 seconds, and it works for me. So you have that design right there for that clock. It goes on the back of that design. It doesn't go on the front. It goes on the back of that design. You're going to see through to the front. And wait till we press it. Here it is, finalized and done. Make sure you put your heat gloves on because that bad boy is hot. But look at it. It's super cute, super cute. Light pressure. Don't forget that. This next design, that's for the, do you see how I turned it over? That's for the stone. I turned it over. That will last 1 minute. That thing turned out popping. Super cute. This is the Bestie frame. Of course, everybody knows how to do that, so I didn't show it, but they're super cute. Just look at the stone. That is super cute. They're going to be so happy. And this clock is super cute. Let me show you how to put it together. So it comes with all these pieces. You're going to put those legs on with the little diamond pieces on the front. You're going to put the back of the clock on. It screws and holds on with the little gold piece that goes in the middle. Put the arms in there, and then go ahead and finish by putting the top little pieces in. They all got little pieces that's going to screw together, so you're going to know what you have. You're going to get you a AA battery, and you can adjust the arms if you need to if they're hunting into each other. But this is super cute. Follow for more tips and tutorials.